Hello friends, welcome to my channel. These are roses freehand painting on Mangalgiri pink saree, and this is the pallu design. I take order works and teach online professional courses. My details are in this video and below this video in description. For more information on art, do click the link of my website in description and in about in my channel. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjo, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oregata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. I have advanced and basic courses starting from 1000 onwards. You can see the sarees for sale painting also in my channel. These I did on the order work. I have taken metallic colors for the rose and leaves, and I have used round brush number 8. This is one stroke rose with round brush. By learning freehand painting, you can make and create new designs every time and make a party wear designer saree. This is second tutorial of chrysanthemum, metallic chrysanthemums, and same I have used round brush number 8, and this is again another pink color Mangalgiri saree. These are one stroke chrysanthemums with round brush. This is the saree border design. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorial, style, fashion. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.